My name is Josh, and this is My Lonely Mountain. Well, it's been about 2 months since we've been up to the mountain. Believe it or not, it's still winter up here. So what we're doing today is we're getting ready for our wood stove. And there's quite a few sequencing things that we've got to get done in just the right order so that we can install our wood stove. Now, eventually our cabin is going to have some type of power source. And so we're roughing in 2 sconces, which I'd like to use for the front room lights above our mantle. So we're pulling a little bit of Romex, mounting a couple electrical boxes, getting our insulation installed, and then we're going to work on our hearth. Now, I'm kind of a wood stove connoisseur. I grew up with one my whole life, and then as an adult in my home, I have one as well. I'm pretty passionate about them. I love splitting firewood, stacking firewood, taking care of my wood stove. So there's a lot that goes into putting a wood stove in and making it safe for you and your family. Now, if you guys have watched some of my other videos, I'm still loving that DeWalt skill saw, by the way. Right now, I'm putting together some blocking that's going to act as backing for our heat shield, and it's going to pick up a spot around that heat shield to be able to attach it and the future interior walls. So what I'm doing here is pretty tedious, but to insulate right, you never want to crush your insulation down, and so I'm carefully sliding that backing into the insulation, cutting around it and restapling it. So you can't see that backing that I installed now. The item that I'm screwing as my heat shield, that's called Hardy Backer. It's made to accept tile or faux stone in the future and acts as a great heat shield. For the hearth, I put down some 30-pound felt to act as a vapor barrier, and then these are just some snazzy stepping stones from your local big box store. A few good-looking scrap 2x4s from the cabin build last summer. Starting to look like something now. Right now I'm countersinking these holes because I'd love to come back in the future and plug them. And I thought I'd get this thing coated with some Spar Varathane finish. It's just a clear that I really wanted to get on here before we get the stove installed, so we don't embed a bunch of ash or dirt into the wood. We do plan on doing a wood floor on top of the subfloor, so when we do that, that'll bring us up to an elevation a little bit closer with our hearth. Thank you so much for watching our video on our hearth build, and thanks for watching My Lonely Mountain.